Stop with the spreading already! Another fire's out. How you doing, Harry?
I'm bypassing every safety lock known to man. Living life on the edge. But I was thinking, there's always one thing that goes wrong with any big undertaking. This was our one.
Total chainsaw. Everything down here is clear. I just need to help out upstairs. Fire's spreading! Yeah, got this under control. No problem.
That's the left.
No Craven? I thought we had a thing going. You're not his only prey. Tell me where he is. Oops, my bad. I have a shot.
Him again.
Could you not, please? I like to keep my fight parties small.
My Craven was only going out to shoot. Why are they here?
They must have tracked me after I stole the serum. Sorry, Harry.
Why are you apologizing? You're right, you got the suit. Kick their ass.
What's them now, Harry?
I turned the beam into the auxiliary tunnel. What's new with you?
Well, I just got an extension on my student loans. Real excited about that.
We're making good progress. Only 30 steps left until the antidote's ready.
Great! Because I don't think these guys are gonna stop coming!
You got this, buddy.
He's hurt!
prepáčte, že video bolo krátke.
Grab antidote. You need to get out. I can't leave. I'm the only one who...
Aspoň príliš dobre.